said to my father that I want to dance. So my father took me to a dance class. The dance teacher told, he's so fat, how you can dance? So he put me in the last row of the dance class. I was standing and seeing what I can do. So early in the morning at 4 o'clock, I went to the field. Because if I went at 7 o'clock, all the people saw me and laughed. So at the 4 o'clock, nobody was there, so I can practice on my own in the field. And there I practiced splits, backflip, all the things. And I said to all the children and the world that fat people can dance.
Yes, they can, my friend.